Quiet on set.
Moccamaster, sing 2, take 1.
Hey guys, welcome to Rumble Coffee. My name's Stan, and today I'm going to take you through how to make the perfect Moccamaster batch brew. What you're going to need is a Moccamaster, a paper filter, some freshly ground coffee, a jug with some hot water in it, some cold filtered water, a spoon, and you're going to need a timer as well. So to start off, you want to grab your filter holder, take the diffuser off, and place your paper filter inside. Make sure it's evenly placed within the paper filter holder. Put it back in, move the spout out of the way, and you're going to grab your hot water, and the reason we're doing this is to rinse the paper filter, and also the water's going to drop down and heat up the carafe at the same time. Now that the carafe is at temperature, we're going to pour out the water. So what you want to do now is just make sure that that paper filter is evenly placed within the holder, because sometimes it moves around when you're rinsing it out. Grab your freshly ground coffee. We're going for a ratio of 6 grams to 100 ml. Our recipe here is 60 grams to a litre, and we're going for coarse grind size, which is like raw sugar. Place it into the holder. At this point, you probably want to give it a bit of a knock around just to make sure that it's all evenly distributed. Cool. Now, take your lid off. So grab your filtered water, add it to the Moccamaster. Put the lid back on. And now turn your Moccamaster on. Now you can hear the water boiling, and as it starts, you want to press start on your timer. When there's enough volume in there, grab your spoon and just give it a bit of agitation. You want to make sure that the grounds are fully saturated in there. Now grab your diffuser, just slide it through. Cool, so now that the Moccamaster's finished brewing, you can turn it off. The total brew time that we're looking for is around 6 minutes, but anywhere between 5:30 and 6:30 is fine. If you're not falling within that window, then you basically want to change your grind to accommodate for that. So now you can grab your carafe, give it a bit of a swirl to make sure that it's blended through consistently. Grab your vessel. Pour off a cup. And if you put the lid on that's supplied, it should keep your coffee nice and warm for a couple hours. And that's how we do it. Cheers.